So when do we light the candles on Chanukah? So we said like this. We said that the best time to light is on Tzeta Kochavim, as the Lashon of the Shulchan Aruch, that you light besof shkiata, and this is how all the poskim explain the Shulchan Aruch, that it means Tzeta Kochavim. How long do you have in order to light? A person that doesn't light right away, how long could he wait till he lights? So lechatchila, a person should wait half an hour, could wait half an hour, not more than half an hour, because it says in the Gemara that the lighting is from Shkiat HaChama ad shetichle regel min hashuk, and that means that you light from the time of the sunset until people stop walking outside. In the time of the Gemara, people walked only up to half an hour after dark, because it would get dark. There wouldn't be any lamps outside. It would be very dark, and therefore people would not stay out more than half an hour. It would be dangerous and dark. After half an hour, it's already too late. That's one opinion. Second opinion says that really you could light the whole night. And why was it said the opinion of half an hour, which is a time that people stay outside? That's only l'shiura, to tell you the amount of oil you need to put in the candle, in the glasses. And therefore, if you put an oil enough for half an hour, that's sufficient. When do you put the oil? You can put anytime you want. You have the whole night for that. You can put it anytime you want, and it's all fine. So therefore we have two opinions over here in the Gemara. One opinion would hold that you have to light as soon as possible, and you have no more than half an hour. Actually, one should try to light as soon as possible, as the Shulchan Aruch says, En me'achrim, lo me'achrim velo makdimim. You should light exactly on time Tzeta Kochavim and not make it any later. Why? Because the Gemara says, Di lo adlik madlik. A person that didn't light yet could light up to half an hour. So you see that from the Lashon of the Gemara, it sounds like a person should light as soon as possible. If he didn't light as soon as possible, exactly on time, on Tzeta Kochavim, so then he has half an hour. But that seems like it's a b'di'evedi case. But lechatchila, a person should try to light exactly on time. More than that, there's a Sefer Itorerut Tshuva that says that every second that a person doesn't light, he lights late, he lost out on the mitzvah. And what's the explanation on that? Since we're trying to do Pirsum Nisa, we're trying to get as much people as possible to see the candles, those people that walk outside in the street. So therefore, if you only have half an hour of people walking down the street, and therefore since that's the only time, you're trying to get as much people as possible. So you try to light as soon as possible, up to that half an hour. That's one opinion in the Gemara, and this is how we posek la'alacha lechatchila. Very important. According to the Rambam, after half an hour, you don't light anymore with a beracha. You don't need to light anymore. So therefore, even though la'alacha we don't posek like this, but one should be very careful that at least to go like that opinion and light exactly on time. If one didn't light exactly on time, so according to the second lashon in the Gemara, that says that it's l'shiura, the half an hour is only an amount of how much a person needs to put oil in the candle. So then he could do it the whole night until what? Until the morning, Alot HaShachar. Even right before Alot HaShachar, a second before Alot HaShachar, a person, according to the Shevet HaLevi, could still light. He could put the oil and light it. He still has time. For that opinion already, you're going to have in the house people that are seeing it. According to some opinion, you need to have 2 people awake in the house, and according to some, the Aruch HaShulchan says 1. L'halacha, if you have 2 people awake, you could light b'di'evet if you didn't light till now with a beracha. If you only have 1 person awake and you can't wake up somebody else, so you make it without a beracha. This is how the Ben Ish Chai was posek, and this is how most of the poskim were posek. So to summarize, lechatchila, a person should try to light exactly on time on Tzeta Kochavim, and if he didn't, he has half an hour to make sure that he lights. If he didn't, then we run into the second lashon of the Gemara that the person could light the whole night, and with that you also make a beracha. Even though we can claim that it's afek brachot leakel, maybe you should make a beracha, maybe not. The Magen Avraham said that it seems like from the Shulchan Aruch opinion that a person has the whole night to light, even with a beracha, but the evet that he didn't light in the beginning.